All right, guys, this is going to be video number one of the answer key for the study guide today. I'm breaking it up basically page by page so you can kind of pick and choose which problems you need to look at, and you're not going to have to sift through a whole like 40-minute video. So here we go. All right, number one, is this a function? Remember, definition of a function is that each input has to have exactly one output. If you're looking at this first one here, one's output is 5 and 7. That is illegal. Cannot do that. Function, it is not. Okay, not a function. The input, -1, has two outputs. And those are 5 and 7. Okay, not a function because -1 has two different outputs. Pretty straightforward. Number two, when you're given ordered pairs, look at the x's, right, to see if any of the x's are repeating. If the x's are not repeating, it's already going to be a function. But just in case you want to see, and this might be good for just the answer key people here. So this first one is -3, 4. Then it's -2, 5, 1, -2, and 5, -4. So since none of my inputs have different outputs, or I guess since each input has different out or exactly one output, this is going to be a function. Okay, it is yes. Each input has exactly one output. All right, 3 and 4 we talked about in class. 3, you should use the vertical line test, and if your vertical line hits 2 or more points on the graph, it is not a function. So, function, nope, not a function. And the reason is it does not pass the vertical line test. Which that just means if it doesn't pass the vertical line test, um, that means that each input does not have exactly one output. So that example could work as well. That's number 3. And then number 4. This is the one that I had a lot of questions on in class. So the independent variable is the day of the week, and the dependent variable is the number of hours spent sleeping. So the example that I used in class was kind of about how my week's gone with sleeping and things like that. Basically, each day is going to be a new number. So if Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Wednesday is 3, Thursday is 4, so on and so forth, right? So we've got that. If I sleep 8 hours, then 7 hours, then 9 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours again, 9 hours again, um, and all these, right? The thing that you have to keep in mind is, do these inputs have exactly one output? The answer is yes, right? They have exactly one output. None of these inputs are repeating. So this is a function. This is a function because each input has exactly one output. Okay? Each input has exactly one output. All right? I believe that's it for this first page. So this video is done. Stay tuned for 5 and 6.